Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the new chapter, that is fifth chapter, substances in the surroundings, their states and property. So in these lessons we will see the substances, their state and what are their properties, all things we will discuss, we will learn in this lesson. So first here is that change of state of substances. Yes. So here if you are seeing, the substances are in three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. Yes, solid, liquid and gas. If you are taking water, the water can present in all three states. Yes, if it is in solid, that is in ice form. Liquid in which we are drinking, and gaseous means when we will heat that it will gives the water vapor, that is gaseous state of the water. Yes, so change of state of substance, for that what here one experiment is given. Yes, so what is that experiment? Take a piece of wax in a bowl. Here wax means what? The candle which we are using, that is made up of the wax. So that wax you have to take in a bowl and heat them on a candle or spirit lamp. Here the arrangement they have shown like this. Yes. After that, first question is there. How do the piece of wax change? If you are heating the wax, if you are heating the wax, it will convert into the, means it will melt. Yes, means this is solid state and this is liquid state. Generally, if we are using the candle for birthday, that time if we will heat that candle, that is which in a solid state, due to the heating it will convert into the liquid state. Here the liquid state you can observe when which we are using for the birthdays. Yes, so here also same only. How do the piece of wax changes? Here if we are heating the wax, it will in the solid state that goes into the liquid state. What was the initial state? Initial state means what, children? That is the first state of the wax. So first state it is, which of the first state of wax? It is solid. Next, what did it converted into? So it got converted into in liquid state. Yes. So it first initial it is solid, when we'll heat it is converted into liquid. Now if you are keeping the same bowl in cold water, that time if this it is there which we are heating, that if you are putting it water, again the liquid, it get convert into the solid state. So when a substance change from one state to another, the process is called as change of state of the substances. Yes, understood, children? So next part, here in the reduced syllabus this part is not there, so don't study this, don't read that. Next, here some substances they have shown, various substances. Here perfume is there, here ghee is there, here naphthalene balls are there, here camphor is there. Yes, so here some substances list also they given. First is spirit, camphor, petrol, ghee, coconut oil, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride means Navsagar here. First question, which ones freeze in the winter? If winter season is there, among these which one freeze? Yes, that is the ghee and coconut oil. Yes, children. in our home which we are putting the coconut oil for hair, definitely in winter season that is in the that is in the liquid state, but in winter season to get converted into the solid, means it can freeze due to that temperature. Second question, which liquid have you seen change into the vapor? From this, the spirit is there, petrol is there, that are in liquid state and they go into the vapor phase. If you are taking the petrol in bottle, if you are putting the cap, that time it will not evaporates. But if you open that cap and only the bottle is there, that time definitely all the petrol goes into the vapor phase. Yes. Next, which solid directly change into the gaseous state? Means solid generally if we are heating that converted into liquid, but which solid that directly changes into the gas? So that is in our home which we are using in our puja, that is kampur. When it is in the solid and if you are heating, that is converted into gas, it will not melt, it will not change into the liquid, it directly goes to the solid, to the gaseous state. So from this all, what do we learn from this? Means from that the state of substance changes, means solid to liquid, liquid to gases. When they are changing, if we are heating or if we are cooling, then only they get changes. So in our surrounding, the substances are found in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Understood, children? So these are the state of substance, which means change of the state of substances. So here one figure is there. Observe that first here solid is there. Solid when we are giving heat to that solid, it start to melt, means the solid get converted into liquid. Again if we are heating the liquid, then it boils, it get converted into the gas. Again the reverse process is there. The gas if cools, condense, again it will convert into liquid, and if liquid is freeze, that converted into the solid state. Yes, children. So here again water, if it is water which will naturally occurring, that is in the which we are using at home, that is in which state? Liquid state. If we are freezing, means if you are putting at freezer in freeze, that time that is converted into ice, which is solid state. And if we are using that water boiling, heating, that time it will boil, it get converted into the liquid state. Yes, that is the change of the state of substance. Understood, children? So today we will stop here. Next part we will see in the next video. So thank you.